We are going to do a walkthrough of a 2010 Opti-Sand P522A dual head 52-inch panel sander. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, like, share, and turn on notifications to receive our latest videos as they drop. This Opti-Sand P522A dual head 52-inch panel sander is designed for finish sanding, sealer sanding, denibbing of wood and MDF surfaces on flat panels, and other two-dimensional wood parts in a single pass, including cabinet doors, entry doors, and other three-dimensional parts with multiple passes. The counter-rotating heads will run in both forward and reverse with a touch of the keypad. Each head is powered by a 5-horsepower Balder motor, while the variable feed speed is handled via a 1.5-horsepower Balder motor. Speeds and functions are easily controlled via a touchscreen Magellan control by Schneider. The 522A features a 52-inch width capacity. The pressure bars can be set up to 3.5 inches, while the heads can be raised up to 6 inches off the feed mat. The overall condition of this machine is in very good condition to excellent condition. You are going to receive a manual for the machine itself. The VFDs and a PLC backup is also included.